Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it and click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Now just got it and tap on the month above. Over here you need to pick a date that you wish to set up and create your event by choosing this plus icon. Now select event from a list of all of those reminders, and now you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, add a title and pick starting hour over here. If you wish to, you can also disable this feature completely. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Following that, add people, set up notifications minutes, hours, weeks before, take notes, add attachment, and even choose add location. Select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can edit it by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then just save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!